Welcome back to Spoonful of Imagination.
We're going on a niche walk. A niche walk to show you what you can create with outside stuff. You can turn bark into a boat by cutting a dowel rod and cock-gluing it on like that, and then you cut a piece of paper into a triangle, glue it like that to the dowel rod, and then you have a cool boat.
I found this cool shell in our creek, and you can paint eyes in it, and then inside you can make it have like teeth to look like a monster.
Make a cool wall art piece by wrapping string around it and having beads dangling down.
I'm gonna glue this to a piece of paper to make it as a trunk, and then I'm gonna color sticks to the side of it to make it look like a tree.
You can find a cool rock and you can paint it so it's like a pet rock.
I'm gonna dry this leaf under a book, and afterwards I'm going to paint it, and then it's gonna be a bookmark.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to subscribe.
Make sure to share with your family and friends. See you next time.
And remember to subscribe.
Make sure to share and